Hello everyone, I am Bhumika. I am presently a legal intern in Lexis and Company, a law firm. I am from Reva University, Bangalore, pursuing BA LLB honors second year. So today's topic for the discussion is that what do you mean by surrogacy, and whether there are any issues by practice of this surrogacy, and whether it is legal or illegal in India. And at last we will evaluate the bill which is there, that is surrogacy regulation bill 2020. So now let us begin with what you mean by surrogacy. Surrogacy is in the situation where a surrogate woman will be having a legal contract with the persons or a middleman to bear a child, and the persons or the couple later after the birth of the child, they will be the parents of the child. So this will be done when there is any medical complications in the couple, or if there is any harm to the wife to bear the child as such. So at this situation, couples go for surrogacy. And then after knowing surrogacy, what is surrogacy, now let us move on to the issues of surrogacy, wherein the issues are exploitation of surrogate. So the surrogates will be like the woman who bears the child and gives it, like whether it can be for monetary gain or it can be as altruistic surrogacy as well. So woman who will bear this child and give, she is exploited to a large extent, like while framing of the contract, there will be other financial support given to her, but in the reality that will not happen, and less money will be paid to her, no proper health care facilities will be given to her, and back to back pregnancies will be happening. So the middleman will exploit her to such an extent. So these are the ways how surrogates are exploited. And the other ways are illegal contracts, or not proper contracts have been signed, and also like abandoning the child. If the child is born with any defects as such, the parents will abandon the child. They are not ready to accept that child which is born out of this surrogacy practice. So these are all the issues of surrogacy practice. And then later we'll come to the point that whether surrogacy is legal in India or not. Yes, surrogacy is legal in India to an extent, but in India, surrogacy is prohibited in the form of its commercialization. Commercialization of surrogacy is not allowed in India. What do you mean by commercialization of surrogacy? Commercialization of surrogacy means that it is done for monetary benefits. They'll take surrogacy up as a business. So this is not allowed actually in India, but altruistic surrogacy is allowed. What is this altruistic surrogacy? Wherein the relatives or of the close relatives of this couple will help in doing this surrogacy in faith and trust, but not for monetary gains. So now this is the status of surrogacy in India. Now let us come to that recent bill, that is the Surrogacy Regulation Bill of 2020. So under this Surrogacy Regulation Bill, it clearly defines the clauses wherein who cannot go for surrogacy, like the people who are in live-in relationship couples, and like the transgender community, and people who are singles, and people so these type of people cannot go for surrogacy mostly, and couples should be legally married and should have been 5 years, only they can go for surrogacy in India. And also who can be a surrogate, that is only altruistic surrogacy is allowed, only the relative of the couples are allowed to be a surrogate mother. And also when we look into who can be the surrogate, there is so much of regulations have been brought out, that what are the conditions the surrogate should fulfill. That is say the age will be checked, whether she should be married for being a surrogate, and should have been bear a child at least once, and then also her health conditions will be checked. So all these are done so that exploitation of surrogate will end, and also the babies are born healthy, and the abandonment of the babies will not happen. So these are the provisions of this law. And also the commercialization of surrogacy has been banned in India by this bill. So these are the provisions of this bill. And so to conclude, we can say that surrogacy should be allowed to an extent, but what it has been taken right decision that commercialization of surrogacy is not good, because more and more women who are illiterate will find an easy way for getting into any job like this, prostitution or even this surrogacy, and the overall consequence will be that exploitation of women itself, and also they will become very weak in if they get into this job. So commercialization of surrogacy should not be done, and there must be a regular check. And also there are national and state level surrogacy regulation boards set up as well by this regulation. So to conclude, saying that surrogacy is good to an extent, but commercialization of surrogacy should be banned, which will be having a bad impact. Thank you.